was yesterday. It was sophomore year. I was standing at the lunch tables with my friends. I could hear them calling in the distance. A loud noise, a screech. And then it hit me. Bird. The bird pooped on me.
You got on, bro.
What the? It's like tar.
Oh, man.
I felt it like fly out of the bird's butthole.
It was like any other school day. I was just a freshman and I didn't know what to do. I was on my way to class and I was halfway there when they got me, right on my hair and face. I've been scarred.
Oh my god, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. No way, no way, no way, no.
It was a casual day at lunch. I see birds fly around the sky. And it happened to poop on me and on my backpack and hair.
Oh no. Evan, no. Oh, it's like not like barely in your hair.
Ever since, I've been super scared to go to school and walk around campus. Also, as I was thinking about that, I thought it would never happen again, but a couple weeks later, it pooped on me again. I thought that this was the second time that it was gonna happen and it wouldn't happen anymore. But then a couple weeks later again, pooped on my arm, and ever since then, I thought that I was gonna have good luck.
Don't make the mistake I made.
Don't underestimate them. Don't ignore their cries.
Don't take them lighthearted. They are our enemies.
Walking under a canopy when you see the birds, otherwise you're gonna end up like me and get pooped on 3 times.